I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, sharing a hack for how to clean the leaves and sticks out of your sandbox. So if you've got a sandbox and there's a tree above it, like mine, you might get all these little leaves and sticks and pine needles and things falling into the sandbox. And my solution, my hack for that, is using this Paw Bee litter scoop. So this is designed for cleaning out a cat litter box, and that means that it's really good at scooping sand and filtering out sand or sand-like materials. So what we do with this is just start to scoop in under these pieces of debris, give it a good shake, and you get all that debris that you can dump out of the sandbox very easily while all the sand passes through the scoop here and stays in. And you can quickly go through with this and clean all of that debris and leaves and sticks out of your kids' sandbox really easily while keeping all of the sand in place. And what you end up with, if you do this for the whole sandbox, is much cleaner sand that they can enjoy playing in. So check it out. Paw Bee is the thing I use here, and this is a great hack for cleaning out your kids' sandbox super easily.